Finding the best toaster oven can feel tricky when you just want quick, even meals without hassle. The best toaster oven gives you fast heating, simple controls, and reliable results for toast, pizza, and more. I've tested a few in my own kitchen and learned what truly matters day to day. From busy mornings to late-night snacks, I focus on what works for real homes in the US, not just specs on paper. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 4-Slice Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach 4-Slice Toaster Oven is a simple pick if you want the best toaster oven for basic daily use. I like how easy it feels right out of the box, with no learning curve at all. It works well for toast, small pizzas, and quick reheats. For small kitchens or dorm-style setups in the US, it fits nicely without taking much space. One thing I noticed is the simple dial control that makes cooking feel quick and stress-free. You just turn and go, which I really enjoy on busy mornings. Another helpful feature is the compact size build, so it saves counter space while still handling a 9-inch pizza. It's great for light cooking tasks. The downside is it lacks advanced settings like air fry. Still, for the price, it's a reliable and easy everyday option. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a premium pick if you want the best toaster oven with serious power and control. I found it great for both quick snacks and full meals, almost like using a real oven. It feels solid and well built, which many US home cooks will value for daily use. The controls take a little time to learn, but they become easy with use. One standout is the Element IQ system that adjusts heat smartly for even cooking every time. It helps avoid cold spots, which I really noticed when baking. Another feature I like is this super convection fan that speeds up cooking and gives food a crisp finish. It works great for fries and roasted veggies. The only downside is the price, which is higher than most. Still, if you cook often, it's worth the upgrade. Number 3. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a strong pick if you want the best toaster oven for bigger meals and daily use. I like how it handles everything from toast to full dinners without feeling complicated. It fits more food than most, which is great for families or weekend cooking. The dials feel simple and reliable even when you're in a rush. One thing that stands out is the large cook space, letting you toast 6 slices or bake a full pizza with ease. It saves time when cooking for more than one person. Another feature I noticed is the airflow system that cooks food fast and gives a crisp finish without drying it out. It works well for wings and fries. The only downside is the outside can get warm. Still, it feels durable and fits well in many US kitchens. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake Air Fry Oven. The BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake Air Fry Oven is a great choice if you want the best toaster oven on a budget. I like how it fits small kitchens but still handles daily meals with ease. It works well for toast, fries, and quick reheats without feeling slow. The controls are simple, which helps on busy mornings. One thing I noticed is the even toast tech that gives bread a nice even color without burnt edges. It makes breakfast feel easy and stress-free. Another highlight is the air fry system that crisps food with less oil, which many US homes now prefer for healthier meals. It fits a 9-inch pizza, so it's handy for quick dinners. The only downside is the timer is short for long cooks. Still, for the price, it delivers solid value and everyday use. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Oven. The Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Oven feels like a true upgrade if you want the best toaster oven for family meals. I like how the French door design makes it easy to open and check food without hassle. It fits large trays, so it works well for pizza night or quick snacks after work. The controls are simple, and I found the presets helpful on busy days. Another standout is the dual speed fan that gives food a crisp, even finish without much effort. Toast comes out nicely done, and the auto shut-off adds peace of mind. It looks clean on the counter, which many US kitchens will appreciate. The only downside is it takes some space, so small kitchens may feel tight. Overall, it's a solid pick if you want one oven that can handle many cooking tasks with ease. Final verdict. If you want the best toaster oven that can truly handle everything, I personally recommend the Emeril Lagasse French door air fryer oven as the top pick. It stands out with its large 26-quart capacity, versatile presets, and easy French door design, making it ideal for family meals and batch cooking. It feels like having a second oven right on your counter, especially useful for busy U.S. kitchens, where speed and convenience matter. For a more budget-friendly option, the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake Air Fry Oven is a smart choice. It's simple, compact, and gets everyday jobs done without overcomplicating things. Check the links in the description for current prices and full details, and pick the one that fits your cooking style and needs best.